Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we are not in our normal world, as you may see already. Hang on a minute, guys. Just forgot to do something. I just need to make cheats on. Sorry about that. Okay, so today, we're not doing a normal world. We're going to make two series. One of the series is the one you've already seen, which is our adventure series. We go on random adventures. This one is just normal Minecraft. So, let's just start. It's normal Minecraft. Dun dun dun. It's me doing stuff. Oh, I know what we could do. Maybe. Right. Just get some. Okay, 2 or 3 wood should do it. Do what I want to do. Good. So, that should be okay. I didn't know they had dark oak buttons now. Right, let's make a axe. This is how you make it, right? Oh yeah. Like just the basics of the world. Right, we don't want you oak tree, we want the dark oak tree.
Evil oak tree. Most evilest oak tree in the world.
We're gonna have to make some windows to our house before we get them good old torches, y'all. You know what I means? Now, my friend Harry has been telling me to do a survival series for one day, this one time. Because I built all my house in creative on the other series. So, yeah, I don't normally do actual survivalness. But I'm pretty sure I know how to do it. This is how you do it, right? So you build the wood. Once you get your sword, you start to get a stack, stack in a bit. Right, now, hang on, is it faster to break you with an axe? I think it is. Yes, we got a puppy! Put you there. Ooh. Okay, let's, put our house here. Good. Okay. Let's build. Hang on, guys. We're gonna have to get some sheepies. Just so we're prepared to build our house. Sheepies. 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 Sheepy weepy woos. Oh. Ooh. I'm gonna try and put out this fire. Okay, let's see if we can put this out. I don't think we can. So my house may catch on fire if this fire spreads. Might. But it's probably fine. Oh, we really need sheep. What the? This doesn't really drop anything. Oh, mushroom. How do you harvest mushrooms? Let's just put it down. There. Never mind. Okay, you can't put it down. Or need food. Right, this may be cannibalism, but just gotta go. So sorry, cow. You're the only animal around. Cow? So sorry. Uh-oh. Glitch. Glitch. Cow. Oi, oi, oi. Come back. Jeeb. So many glitchness. Too much glitch. This is going to be called the glitchy video. Ooh. Oh, why am I not using my sword? Got you. Give me your beef. Good. Ooh, yay, leather. Let's first build a chest as well. Let's put this here. Okay. We will make our house bigger, but this is going to be it for the moment. Otherwise stuff will go in our house forever and ever and ever. Need sheep. Otherwise they won't ever survive the world. Ever. This is how you make a... Hang on. So door is this, isn't it? Yeah, dark oak door. Yay, the dark oak door looks so cool as well. I'm so happy we chose dark oak instead of normal oak. I might make a trapdoor into our secret room. I'm gonna make it 2 doors, so if we go adventuring one way, we can get in, and if we go adventuring in the other way, we can get in. Why is there stuff here? Just put that there. Ooh, seeds. We can start a farm. Put that in our chests. This will take a while, but what I want to do is, I'm doing this sort of thing, because, you know, I can't just have one series. I used to have more than one, but, you know, that thingy happened. My computer broke, can't play Roblox, it's just very sad. So, I would play Roblox, but more. You guys never knew what happens to my poor Froakie and stuff. So I thought I should do more than one series. I'm just gonna chop down this whole tree, because I really need the wood for it. We might find a woodland mansion. When we get really good, I'll go into it. Because, you know, it's a woodland and all that. Right, we need some dirt. Let me use my sword. Okay. We might have to go back just to get some more stuff. Hang on, this is okay, yeah. This is a good amount of stuff. Maybe. I have to craft up another axe. That's it, right? Hang on, wasn't it the other way before? See, X. So it could be that way or the other way. I see. It's getting to night. So we need to make a ceiling and we need to make a ceiling. Hang on. We need to just make a ceiling and a windows. Because if there could be spiders, I'm gonna have to live the night like normal people. And then like I'm gonna have to live the night like I could let spiders come in, I suppose. I'm gonna make a window, don't I? Because I need to let light in. Can I just have like 3 torches, guys? Please. Please. Only 3. I promise it'll only be 3 torches. Okay? But I'll take something away. So that I have the... Actually, no. I won't get the torches. I'll just have to... I know, I could go in a hole, I suppose. Until the day's over. Yeah, I'll go in this hole. Till the night's over. No. 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 How long does a Minecraft night last? I need light. I need it. I can't hear anything. I'm breaking stuff, but I can't hear or see anything. Is this the floor? Yeah, it's the floor. So is this... I'm just trying to look at it now. I don't know. So this is me looking down. Okay. So this is me looking up. Yes, it is. Are you done yet? I'm gonna just do it like that. Maybe. Oh, I've got a good idea. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. How am I gonna get out of this hole? I know. I just need to make a pickaxe. Oh, hang on, I've already got sticks. Okay, I'm gonna make a pickaxe. Gonna keep that bit open. So guys, let's... I don't know how we're gonna do this. Just made an advancement, which is good. But... I'm just going to... Is the night nearly over? I don't know. No, it's not nearly over. Okay, guys. So, guys, I know this is gonna be a very weird video because I'm spending most of it in a hole. But, yeah. Oh, is this coal? Nope. Is this coal? 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 Oh, is it nearly day? Yes. It's lighter. suppose.